In this video, we will explore the key trends and points to consider when selecting modern wooden furniture for both indoor and outdoor use. Versatile indoor designs. Choose multifunction pieces that maximize space utilization in small indoors area. Minimalist design with clean lines and neutral colors create a contemporary look. Customization option allow you to match furniture to your interior decor. Comfort and functionality. Indoor furniture should prioritize comfort with features like ergonomic chairs and plush cushions. Consider storage solutions such as hidden compartment or built-in shelves to enhance functionality. Durability for outdoor use. For weather resistance, wood spices like teak, cedar, or rewood for outdoor furniture. Invest in quality finishes and protective coating to extend the life of your outdoor spaces. Innovative outdoor designs. Modern outdoor furniture often features sleek, modular design that are easy to rearrange. Consider outdoor lounge sets, dining set, and fire pits to create a cohesive outdoor living space. Mixing material. Experiment with combination of wood and materials like metal, glass, or concrete for a contemporary look. These mixed material pieces can add an artistic flair to your outdoor or indoor space. Indoor design trends. Embrace the versatility of modern wooden furniture for indoor spaces. Multifunctional pieces like storage bed or extendable dining tables and modular shelving units can maximize space utilization in smaller areas. Minimalist design featuring clean lines, sleek profiles, and neutral color petals create a contemporary aesthetic that seamlessly blends with various interior styles. Customization options allow you to tailor furniture to your unique design vision, ensuring that it is harmonious with your existing decor. Mixing materials. Modern design often incorporates the medley of materials for indistinctive aesthetic. Experiment with combination of wood and materials like metal, glass, or concrete to achieve a contemporary and eclectic look. Mixed material pieces introduce an artistic flavor to your both indoor and outdoor spaces, making a bold design statement. Maintenance and care. Regular maintenance is paramount to preserving the beauty and longevity of wooden furniture. Clean your furniture on a routine basis and adhere to the manufacturer care's instruction to shield against weathering, wear, and pestles. Modern furniture's designers offer customization option, enabling you to personalize pieces according to your preference. Personalized wooden furniture become a unique centerpiece in your home, reflecting your individual style and taste. For furniture design that possess a timeless quality, ensuring they remain stylish and relevant to year to come. Modern wooden furniture often integrates classic elements, guaranteeing longevity in both indoor and outdoor settings. Weather resistance is key. Outdoor wooden furniture should withstand the elements. Consider wood spices with natural resistance to decay, and such as teak or cedar. Invest in quality finishes and protective coating to enhance weather resistance. Modern outdoor furniture often features sleek and minimalist design. Clean lines, simple and neutral color palette create a contemporary aesthetic that complements various outdoor settings. Flexibility is a hallmark of modern wooden furniture. Outdoor furniture, modular spaces allow for easy rearrangement and customization, adapting to different occasions and spaces. Look for sectional sofas, ottomans, and chaise lounges that can be arranged to suit your needs. Modern wooden designs often incorporate a mix of material for add visual appeal. Experiment with combination of wood and material like metal, glass, designed to create a dynamic and modern look. Mixed material pieces can add an artistic flavor to your outdoor space. Shade solutions. Modern outdoor furniture often incorporate shade options like umbrellas, pergolas, or awnings. Shade solution enhance comfort and extend the usability of your outdoor space during sunny day. Outdoor lighting and indoor lighting accessories can transform your space in a cozy retreat. Explore options like outdoor string light, lanterns, and decorative cushions to add personality and warmth. Many modern outdoor and indoor furniture designers offer customization options. Personalized furniture allows you to create a unique outdoor space that reflects your personal style. Modern outdoor and indoor furniture design offer a option to elevate your outdoor living experience by focusing on sustainability, weather resistance, contemporary design, and flexibility and comfort. You can create outdoor indoor oases that reflect your unique and stylish creativity while providing a comfortable and inviting space for relaxing and entertainment. Thanks for watching the video till the end. See you later.